Alright, get started here. I don't want to hit that button right there. Okay, I'm going to do a little unboxing video. Got a new, my first LiPo battery, the lithium iron phosphate, 12 volt, 100 amp, bought it off Temu, and with the coupon $20 off, it was $91.81 for a 100 amp hour battery, and that's the cheapest I've seen them. It was $104.91 before all the taxes and everything. So, but anyway, so we've got the box here, and gonna open it up, and I'm filming with the GoPro as well as my phone, so I'll try to piece this together and see if we can do a little something here. Let me see if I can switch this around. Alright, here we go. So my GoPro's right there filming, and we're gonna do real careful like. The box is a little damaged right there. I don't think that's too bad considering it come from China, best I know. And let's see what we got here. Okay. Ooh, pretty beefy looking. Came with a little bolt kit and some covers. Oh, show that to the camera there. GoPro as well. Let's see if the GoPro can see that. Looks like it's got a little nylon handle on it. Pretty handy. And pretty decent looking battery there. Haven't picked up any of these, so I think they said it was only about 20 pounds. 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour, 1280 watt hours. And I'm gonna do some testing and trying some stuff, just playing with stuff. Came with a little manual. Looks like it's product specifications. That looks pretty good. Let's see here. If I can get that to flip pages. I think that's all of it. It's just one page. Huh. Oh no, there's more to it. There we go. Product specs. That's the middle of the book there. Product specs. A lot more product specs. Looks like standard charge current is 20 amps. Maximum current is 100 amps. Discharge current is 100 amp. Pulse current 300 amp. I'd say that's a surge. I don't know if that's... let's see. Charging temperatures. Let's see. It does not say anything about temperature cutoff or anything. Low temperature cutoff. Battery configuration, BMS, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, constant humidity, temperature characteristics, and a drop test. Under the temperature of 23.2 Celsius after discharging battery with 0.1 Celsius to 9.2 volts. Then connect the load, then discharge for 7 hours. Okay, that's a testing method. Okay. Then there's a rest period, protection circuit. There we go. Charging, let's see. balance voltage for single cell, 3.52. Let's see. Overcharge protection, overcharge detection voltage, overcharge detection delay time, overcharge release voltage. Let's see. Overcharge, overcurrent, short protection, temperature. Let's see. Charging, low temperature protection, 0 plus or minus 5 Celsius. Okay. Let's see. Operating temperature range, negative 20 to positive 80 Celsius. Main loop electron resistance, 5 megohms. Okay. Or that's milliohms, I guess. That's just dimensions. Free face, do not use stored battery, exposed to extreme heat. Do not immerse the water. Pretty typical stuff there. I don't see anything about an app for it. Built-in BMS. Let's see if it's. I really thought it would be front page, but we'll see. Might be on the front of the battery, for that matter. This is battery configuration, page 2. Appearance. Dimension measurement. Let's see. Standard test conditions. Yeah, I don't see anything about a built-in BMS, so let's look on the front here to see what it says here. Do not short circuit. Do not reverse. Do not immerse water. Built-in smart EMS or BMS. I mean, okay. I'm gonna look for the possibility of an app that will give me the options to manage this thing and at least monitor what's going on with it. But it's pretty decent looking battery. It was packaged pretty good. Okay. Pretty good box. Had a little damage to the box, but not bad. And ordered it straight from Temu. I don't trust Temu, but I've ordered several small items from them. I thought, well, it's $100, and it's about $25 to $30 cheaper than I can get it anywhere else. So I'll try it, just to see. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Keep watching. Subscribe and like if you're interested in more of this content. I'm living in my RV and 27 foot Forest River fifth wheel, and gonna be building a building over in the woods on my property sometime during better weather than now. It's only 28 degrees as a high today, so but just keep watching. Appreciate you watching.